So we start on the amino page in a specific module, like in this case, the hatchery. So once in the hatchery, I click on the overview section and I have my options of the different pages with visualizations. These are basically reports. So I went to the financial page. So for example, if I want to see what's happening on a specific month, so in this case, we're seeing our unit cost trend by month, and I want to explore what's happening in one specific month. So if I click this drill down option, and I want to see what's going on in July, that all my costs went down, I can click here, and now basically the chart is filtering for July and showing you all your breeder farms in July only. This option called go to the next level in hierarchy is basically similar, but instead of applying the filter for July, the system is going to go all the way down without filtering for a month. So I'm seeing all my year, but expanding the level down in your drill down. So basically it's showing all my farms the way I had it before, but with no filter for July. So I'm seeing my entire year and how all my farms performed during the year compared to the other one that I went specifically to July. Expand all down one level in the hierarchy is basically going to combine both. So it's going to show me January breeder, the first breeder farm, January the second breeder farm, January the third one. In the grow module, we added a few more pages to do more ranking options. So one of the ranking pages we add is this one called Grow Out Key Stats Ranking. And it's basically going to show you your main metrics. So we have our top 10 metrics that we've compiled from the industry. And you're basically going to see all farms ranked for every metric or every KPI. Depending on what you pick on the filters, of course, the data will change, but the cool thing that customers can do here is that they can say, okay, I want to see this specific farm on any KPI you can filter from. So I want to see this specific farm, and you would filter that farm across all the KPIs columns. So you can see, for example, this farm was number 2 in the cost per pound or cost per kilo option, but it was 37 on age, it was 1 on weight, it was 75 on adjusted feed conversion, and so on. So you can see basically the ranking of that farm across all the KPIs.